Hi, hello, namaskara. This is Suraj. Welcome to my channel Gadgets Unbox. I am back with another video and today I'll unbox and review the Fossil Generation 6 smartwatch. But before that, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit the bell button to receive the notifications, like this video and leave a comment below if there is anything that you would like to ask. This is Fossil Generation 6 smartwatch box and you can see the Generation 6 branding. On the other side you can see it supports Wear OS by Google. Here you can see the details like where it is imported from, price, manufacturing year and date. Box looks very premium and this is the watch itself. Here is the technical specification of this watch. This watch has 3.2cm color AMOLED screen with 326 ppi, which is decent. This has Qualcomm Snapdragon Wear 4100 Plus processor. This has 1GB RAM, 8GB storage capacity. Coming to the sensors, this has got a long list of sensors such as accelerometer, altimeter, ambient light, compass, gyroscope, off-body IR, PPG heart rate and SpO2. When it comes to the connectivity, this watch supports Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, NFC and Wi-Fi. And last but not the least, coming to the battery life, battery lasts 24 hours in a normal mode and it can be extended up to 30 hours by selecting extended mode. Let me unbox. And this is the watch itself. Let me keep it aside. And in the box I have warranty information and start guide. And I've got a charging dock with USB Type A. Yeah, that's all in the box. In the first look, watch looks very premium and amazing. This watch has got a 44mm stainless steel case and 22mm interchangeable strap. You can see the Fossil branding. And on the back there is a Fossil branding as well. And this strap is a combination of both leather and rubber, which enhances the durability. This 44mm black stainless steel case looks very premium and there are two touch buttons and one central roller button. Quality is pretty good and these buttons look sturdy. And here you can see the sensors. Let me switch on the smartwatch. And here is how it looks with Fossil animation. Let me explain you on how this watch functions. When you swipe down on the screen, you get the control center. And when you swipe up, you will get the notifications. And when you swipe from left to right, you'll get these tiles which are totally customizable from the Fossil app. Also, I did not face any lag when switching between the screens, which is quite impressive. When you long press the push button, you can customize whichever the app that you need. And I've added Alexa. What's the weather?
Right now in Bengaluru, Karnataka, it's 22 degrees Celsius with scattered clouds. Throughout the night you can expect more of the same, with a low of 19 degrees.
Who are you?
Hey there. Glad you stopped by. I'm your virtual assistant, your cloud-based AI. I can help you with a thing or two.
Navigate me to Orion Mall.
Right now, traffic to Orion at No 26/1, Brigade Gateway, DR Rajkumar Road, Malleshwaram West looks a little sluggish.
This watch also supports Google Maps for navigation, and this is how it looks. This is the Fossil application, which is available on both App Store and Google Play Store. And this is how the app interface looks like, and it's super friendly. These are the tiles which are completely customizable and can be added to the watch. These are some of the watch faces. So at last, if you ask me, is this the best smartwatch to buy? Then I would say for the features you get and for the premiumness that you see in this watch, I would definitely recommend to go for this watch. But there is one con, that is battery backup. If you are okay with 1 day battery backup, then this is the best one to buy. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like this video.